What happened?
So guys, we caught a bird and it's in this thing and it's...
Take it over and show them where it was in. Take it over and show them where it was at. And come back and show them bird. You're recording the whole time. Watch where you go on the phone.
I will. So we was right here. Oh, sorry about that. He was right in there in Melissa's house. He was stuck. Yeah, some stuff fell over there. I'm right there. But we got him out. My dad's the only one who got him out. One more thing, funny. Daddy caught. Hey, the queen bee's still alive. See that guy? Queen bee's still alive. Sorry if it was kind of blurry. But then he got the bird, put him in his basket, and he wants out, but I want to take a picture of him. This happened today, and this.
Maybe toy box. Easily show him.
He's right there. He's a beautiful bird, huh, guys?
He's a common blackbird in Tennessee.
Mm-hmm. You can put the thing down.
I don't know the exact name for them, but they're common blackbirds in Tennessee.
And they are where?
Tell everybody subscribe to Barefoot Princess.
Subscribe to Barefoot Princess. Comment down below what you think. We're gonna probably let him go.
Yeah, when we let him go, we'll film it too.
Yeah.
Another video. So bye-bye.
Sorry, guys. You might get mad, but like my dad said, we'll film it in another video. But subscribe, comment down below.